Tell me someone who hates gold, and I will be so happy to declare him. For centuries and centuries, gold prices have always been the subject of discussion. In fact, if there are situations of instability, its price gets more stable. Surprising? But today I am going to talk about a different gold. This gold has also been always under discussion. Let's look. Hi friends, the purpose of creating these videos is only to share knowledge about the oil and gas industry. And I am, let's skip it for another time. Here you can see a black liquid. Yes, you are right, it is crude oil called as black gold. You might be wondering why the name. Let's see ahead. Gold is obtained underground and so is the crude. It takes a lot of refining to the gold to finally look the way we like it. Similarly, crude undergoes a lot of refining and hence the name refinery. As gold is of high commercial value after refining, so is all the products obtained from the crude after refining. Its black color and high commercial value gives it the name black gold. So, we will learn more about how crude oil is formed and its properties. Let's not keep thinking but move ahead. Crude oil is a hydrocarbon, as the name suggests, that is, it is made up of hydrogen and carbon. Hydrogen and carbon atoms cling together in chains and rings to be bonded. Let's look how crude is formed. It is formed from the remains of plants and animals for millions and millions of years and hence termed as fossil fuel. After they die, they are buried to the bottoms in layers of dust, sand, and rock. Over years and years, they remain buried, and since they had absorbed energy from the sun and stored in them as carbon molecules, the moment they start receiving enormous pressure, high temperature, and no oxygen, they transform into kerogen. This kerogen, due to further heat and pressure, undergoes a process called catalgenesis, which transforms it into hydrocarbons called as crude. This oil moves through tiny pores in the rock from high pressure to low pressure. Based on the quality, this crude is classified as sweet, sour. Crude oil with less sulfur content is considered as sweet and with high sulfur content as sour. Based on the density and economic value, it is classified as light, heavy. Crude is light or heavy depends on the oil's relative density measured on the basis of API. It depends on how light or heavy crude is based on comparison with water. The API gravity for water is 10. If crude is less than 10, it is considered as heavy crude and it will sink in water. Greater than 10 will float. Based on the toxicity, they are classified as Class A, it is impervious, toxic, strong odor, evaporates quickly. Class B, less toxic than Class A, it includes medium to heavy oil. Class C, they are heavy, terry oils, very difficult to flush away. Class D, they are thick, non-toxic, heavy crude oil such as bitumen falls in this category. Classification are important to understand the impact of this industry on economy and environment. Friends, in the next video, I will be covering how crude oil is discovered beneath. If you need to understand more on this industry, do mention in the comment section so that I can make a video specially for you. Also, if you like the contents, please share and subscribe. Stay safe. God bless you all. Thanks for watching my video.